Hey guys, Rick again. In a previous video, we were talking about getting our ground level. So what we did is we drove up the 4 stakes, we used the masonry cord, we used the bubble level and the hammer and everything to determine our site. In this particular case, the site is 6 inches on the front side and it's 17 inches on the back side. So obviously something needs to be done. So at this point, we've got to this point, what do? You call your building specialist. First thing you do is you inform him, hey, it's 17 inches off. So what we can do as a building specialist is we can advise you what to do, but in our case, we don't do any site prep or concrete, so you will need to get your dirt guy, your gravel guy to come in and level everything out. So we've got about a foot to pick up this back wall. We've got to come up a foot. At that point, you can either use concrete or you can use gravel or ground or dirt. But the thing about it is we do have to get it level because we only have a 2-inch variance. So I hope that we've impressed upon you the importance of getting the ground level. And at this point, like I said, get in touch with your building specialist. Be sure that he's aware and he can give you some options, kind of tell you what to do. So again, Rick with Carport Central, give us a call. Thank you so much.